Hi guys, punta kami ngayon sa Botanical, malayo sa Tarpaulin.
Parang uulan pa.
Alam mo sa pahat na isang tumamaya. Dito na kami sa SM. Yung bangs kong pangit na. Pinoy ako. Eh bakit mo ko binibidyo? Iiwan tayo nito.
Kaya. Uy Luigi! Bili mo na kami ng turon. Sa may food court.
Nawala na po yung kasama namin. Chicken biryani. Rin nyo ako mangulangot.
On the way na kami ngayon sa Botanical.
Nawawala kami sa SM. Hi guys, we're at the session right now. Parang uulan ba? Magaling pa ako sumayaw dyan.
Dito guys! Dito na kami guys.
Basa ang aking So for today's video, we're only speaking English.
Ay ano?
Luigi's there po.
Hey, you might fall.
I'm watching my steps.
Okay.
I'm too caring. You enter. Such a nice flower. Beautiful flower. Beautiful Bruce J.
Hey, look!
It's the king.
Turon.
And this is Toron.
In the morning. Luigi's gonna pee.
I'll go pee also.
Okay.
Do I need to take the video?
You might trip. So be careful. Hey Luigi, take care of the payong. It's a wishing well.
I'll just get the money.
Hey, do you know
Why are you so silent?
English.
You go first. Oh my god, I'm good. I'm so good at English. Crunchy. It's so hard. In order to chew the food, you need to bite hard.
Yeah. What can you say about that?
I bite hard. Mukbang guys.
Para sa ito, Ma'am Joanne.
Ma'am ah. We're on our way to go to visit Korea Garden. Dito good spot. I mean, it's a good spot.
Yeah.
Let's go walk. It's so slippery. We're in the jungle. Jumanji.
Hey Luigi!
Oh look. What is this? Astronia ferruginea. Hoya bengitis nenesis.
Medinilla annulata.
Ha? Ito Rilos Philippines. Dahon naman doon ng mangga eh. Let's go to the pond. Hey, what are you doing there?
Luigi, let's go!
Hi guys. So we're hiking the dangerous path of the botanical garden. Hey, there's chicken. I'll get some and cook pinik pikan. Pretty. And this is a traditional, I don't know. They put fire on that small circle.
That's cool.
Yeah. They put fire here. Then they sit here. They talk to each other. are you doing? Let's go continue our film. It's called vlogging, not travel vlog.
Ang init.
I'm sorry. Yes, I love PMSCA.
Oh,
Look, the heart is
I
red.
love. Okay. This is a hike.
Legend of the...
Okay. Show them. As... Wow.
It's pink. I love pink.
It's ugly.
Look, my jacket is pink and this flower is pink.
Yes.
We're
you.
perfect match.
We spent a lot of time here.
Circle has...
May sandalan.
German.
It's not well.
The wind is not ready. Yeah,
Hindi ka balak na mag-
we have balak.
Okay.
We want to swim.
Swim.
Lot of our friends swim.
Yeah, this raining.
Oh my gosh, it's raining.
It's not raining, it's just raindrops. That's called from the leaves of the trees.
Oh.
That's called after rain. Yeah, we're in rainforest kasi.
Oh. Okay. Okay, we're out. We're gonna enter here. Whoa.
Wait lang. Hanapin lang natin.
I've been here before na. I remember. Yeah, let's go here. I memorized this. Your voice is so creepy so much.
This is where they hide Yamashita treasure.
I thought someone is singing. Don't worry, I've been here before many times.
He used to hide here.
I've been hiding here for a long time.
He's the one mining all of the tunnel. This can be turned into apartment.
Hey, show the face.
Oh, it's so wet here.
No, just go this way. We're not finished speaking yet.
Wait, what if we get lost? I don't know anymore.
Don't worry.
Hey, let's go back.
I know this place. Don't worry.
Let's go get lost. Hey, you should put a video because nobody has enough.
We're lost.
No, you should video the whole thing.
Yes.
Oh, because you don't, okay.
Yeah, you should cut the.
I thought you know the way here.
I know the way.
Then why do you want to video the whole thing?
We're just turning around. Look, it's an what do you call that? A button for an eel.
It's not so hot.
They have technology in cave.
Hello, Janet.
Hello. He's not excited. Kaya ba? Wow. Ano Chinese bili kayo sa akin? Yummy Chinese.
Okay, let's go.
Kaibigan Pinoy Matas.
Where do we need to go?
Guys, tell me, it's a small tree.
No, this is not a small tree.
It's a small tree.
It's a big tree.
No, it's small. It's literally a twig. Look at the size and look at the size.
This is
Shut up.
No.
Is it in your dreams?
No, I remember.
Why?
Maybe
It's instinct of his people.
Oh.
and I'm pretty. Let's go.
Oh my god. Why the elephant has adong? The kabayo has mullet.
I'm
But-
not kabayo.
Yeah, anti-mosquito. I need that.
No, this is the anti
Manitri.
I don't know that.
What's the song again?
Ano yan? Alatris. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name? Italian na yun.
Magic fruit.
Oh, ikaw doon siguro. Wow. Okay, I will go there.
We're here at the cactus garden.
I watch on that YouTube that
Wait,
they
wait,
mukbang this cactus. It feels like new cut, fresh cut from barber.
Hindi na niya. Hindi kinakain niya. What are you eating?
There's another cut.
So cute. Little cats. This is the mama cat. This is the baby cat.
That's cactus. Memories.
Sapatos mo, Bruce, oh. Doon ako nag-report kayo, so. I
Saan?
did my report here. Wow, it's so cool. They open the lights.
Don't know. Hey, it's a snail. It's a big snail.
Oh, let's show that. Wow. Mukhang tayo. Very cool flowers.
Very
Look at that.
good flower. Meron kaya silang sayote dito.
It's very cool.
You
Look at
don't
that.
need to buy.
Yeah.
Just there.
It's much cooler when it's holiday.
Japan. Yeah, it's legit.
It's the flower. The elephant has two now.
Yes, it's a mammoth. It's not. Thai elephant. Very cool little flowers. Whoa. Cute. Oh, I took a photo in there. Oh, there. I'm not a photographer.
Pine set. Let's go. Let's go into the bamboo.
The sun.
Hey, we should be going to the bamboo.
Where's the bamboo ba?
Should we go there?
I need to rest. I need to rest.
Right now we're resting because we're tired. We're from the...
That posture?
Oh! Go. It's like we're at Korea.
So cool. Wow.
This view looks so...
So tall. Oh my gosh, nagdalag na yung cellphone ko. Okay.
Come on now.
I love Baguio. Hindi, mataba ka.
Hi guys, so our last destination is, come here, to go into the bamboo forest.
Hindi yan na. Oh, it's very dark. I cannot see anymore. It's dark. Dito ba na? Hindi ka nakita. This is the kawayan that you're talking about? Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we can't really, you know. Okay, walk lang. Walk.
explore the
Ayoko na.
Let's go.
Ayoko na, boy.
Let's go.
This is everything that we went through. It's Luigi. It's Bruce. What? It's depressing.
Depression.
So far, how's your experience in the botanical garden?
Nice. Very nice.
Okay. Anything else? There's love. Yes, it's very, very prominent here. Anything more? There's faith
And hope.
and hope.
And another love.
Okay, thank you for your statement. So far, how's the experience?
My experience so far. Why are you flashlighting me?
So far, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Anything else?
The place is pretty. A lot
Okay.
of flowers. It's refreshing.
Wow. The sky is cool. Uy, ang astig! Starry night. Here we go. So cool, guys, look.
This statue here looks pretty. They're opening a stone. What is this?
Yes?
So for now, we're going home. We're tired and everything. We want to rest. We want to sleep early.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, we woke up, start the day with water. That's all.
Yes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.